Welcome to Xciting Machines. In today's fast-paced world, being prepared for any situation is paramount. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, an avid adventurer, or simply someone who values readiness, having the right survival gadgets can make all the difference. Join us as we explore 10 essential survival gadgets every man should have in his arsenal. From multi-tools that serve a plethora of functions to compact water purification systems, these gadgets are designed to enhance your survival skills and ensure you're equipped to tackle whatever challenges come your way. Stay tuned for an exhilarating journey into the world of survival gear. Number 1. Radna. Radna emerges as an indispensable survival gadget, embodying resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. Compact yet powerful, it equips adventurers with essential tools for navigating the wilderness. Its multifunctional design integrates a compass, GPS tracker, emergency beacon, and weather forecaster, ensuring preparedness in any environment. With durable construction and long-lasting battery life, Radna withstands harsh conditions, providing crucial support when resources are scarce. Its intuitive interface guides users through emergencies, offering real-time insights and facilitating communication with rescue teams. In the wild, Radna becomes a lifeline, empowering individuals to conquer challenges and embrace the spirit of exploration. Number 2. Bugy. Bugy Survival Gadget is a compact, multifunctional tool designed for outdoor survival scenarios. Engineered with durability and versatility in mind, it integrates various essential features, including a knife, fire starter, compass, whistle, and LED flashlight. Its compact size makes it convenient for backpacking, camping, or emergency preparedness kits. The knife provides utility for cutting and slicing tasks, while the fire starter ensures the ability to ignite fires even in challenging conditions. The compass aids navigation, the whistle can attract attention in emergencies, and the flashlight offers illumination during low-light situations. Bugy Survival Gadget embodies preparedness and functionality for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 3. Camis Highland Branch Saw. The Camis Highland branch saw is a reliable tool designed for efficient pruning and cutting tasks. With its sturdy construction and razor-sharp blade, it effortlessly slices through branches and limbs, making yard maintenance a breeze. The saw's extended reach allows users to tackle high branches without the need for a ladder, enhancing safety and convenience. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Whether for professional arborists or DIY enthusiasts, the Camis Highland branch saw is a dependable companion for maintaining trees and shrubs, offering precision and ease of operation with every cut. Number 4. Camis Carnivore. The Camis Carnivore is a versatile cutting tool engineered for rugged outdoor tasks. Featuring a multifunctional design, it serves as a machete, hatchet, and saw in one compact package. Its robust construction and sharp blade make quick work of clearing brush, chopping wood, and tackling tough vegetation. With a comfortable grip and balanced weight distribution, the Carnivore offers control and precision during use. Whether camping, hiking, or engaging in wilderness survival activities, this all-in-one tool is a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. From clearing trails to building shelters, the Camis Carnivore proves its worth as a dependable and indispensable outdoor tool. Number 5. Steambow AR6 Stinger 2. The Steambow AR6 Stinger 2 is a cutting-edge crossbow that combines the power of a traditional crossbow with the convenience of a compressed air system. Its innovative design allows for quick and easy cocking and reloading, making it ideal for both experienced hunters and beginners alike. The AR6 Stinger 2 boasts impressive accuracy and velocity, delivering deadly precision over long distances. With its compact size and lightweight construction, it's highly maneuverable in various hunting environments. Equipped with advanced safety features and customizable accessories, the Steambow AR6 Stinger 2 represents the pinnacle of modern crossbow technology, offering hunters unmatched performance and reliability. Number 6. Xciting. The Xciting is a revolutionary survival gadget designed to provide essential power in emergency situations and off-grid environments. Compact and lightweight, it's easily portable, fitting into any survival kit or backpack. By utilizing the power of flowing water, it generates electricity, ensuring a reliable source of energy when traditional power sources are unavailable. This versatile device can charge essential electronics like phones, radios, or lights, crucial for communication and navigation during emergencies. Its durable construction and user-friendly design make it a must-have tool for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and anyone preparing for unexpected situations where access to electricity is limited. Number 7. MUERTE. MUERTE is a high-performance titanium pry bar and multi-tool designed for rugged outdoor use and everyday tasks. Named after Thor's legendary hammer from Norse mythology, this tool embodies strength and durability. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, it offers exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, making it lightweight yet incredibly robust. With its versatile design, MUERTE serves as a pry bar, nail puller, scraper, and more, making it indispensable for camping, hiking, and survival scenarios. Its compact size and ergonomic shape ensure easy carry and comfortable handling. Whether breaking camp, handling repairs, or tackling DIY projects, MUERTE is a reliable companion ready for any challenge. Number 8. Endure. Endure is a powerful survival knife renowned for its durability and versatility in demanding outdoor conditions. Constructed from premium materials like high-carbon stainless steel, it boasts a razor-sharp blade capable of tackling various tasks from cutting wood to preparing food. The knife's ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use. With features like a serrated edge, fire starter, and built-in compass, Endure is designed to be a comprehensive survival tool for adventurers, hikers, and campers. Its rugged design and dependable performance make it an essential companion for those who face the challenges of the wilderness head-on. Number 9. Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman. The Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman is a versatile outdoor tool designed for campers, backpackers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Its innovative design combines 4 essential camping tools into one compact package: a bow saw, a mallet, a stake puller, and a tent stake hammer. The bow saw attachment allows for easy cutting of firewood and clearing branches, while the mallet and stake puller make setting up camp quick and efficient. Crafted from durable materials like stainless steel and polymer, the Woodsman ensures reliable performance in rugged environments. Its collapsible design and included carrying case make it convenient to transport and store, making it an essential addition to any outdoor adventure kit. Number 10. Baja Shovel. The Baja Shovel is an innovative and versatile tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and survivalists. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while its robust construction ensures durability in rugged conditions. The Baja Shovel features a multifunctional design, with capabilities ranging from digging and trenching to chopping and sawing. Its adjustable handle and interchangeable heads allow users to customize the shovel for various tasks, making it ideal for camping, hiking, off-road adventures, and emergency preparedness. With its practicality and reliability, the Baja Shovel is a must-have tool for anyone venturing into the great outdoors. As we conclude our exploration of essential survival gadgets, remember that being prepared is not just a choice, it's a lifestyle. With the right tools at your disposal, you can navigate through any adversity with confidence and resilience. We hope this guide has equipped you with valuable insights and ideas for your survival kit. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Xciting Machines for more thrilling adventures, in-depth reviews, and expert tips on all things related to gadgets, survival gear, and beyond. Until next time, stay safe, stay prepared, and keep exploring.